Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the laptop is online and you have administrative rights. Without that, you can't change system DNS. Once confirmed, open command prompt as admin and run ipconfig/flushdns to clear stale records. Then open network settings, select the active adapter, and open ip4 properties. This is where you make the first concrete change. Make sure to switch from automatic DNS to manual so you can enter new addresses. This prevents the system from reverting immediately. Now you enter reliable public DNS addresses so name resolution becomes predictable. Popular choices are Google 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4 or Cloudflare 1, 1, 1, 1. Once you switch to manual, type the preferred and alternate addresses exactly and save. If you want every device fixed, change the DNS on your router instead, but for a single laptop adapter level is faster. After saving, disable and re-enable the adapter or restart the network. Finish by verifying DNS works. Use nslookup or ping a domain to confirm it resolves to an IP. If you see names failing, clear caches again and reboot the adapter. If problems persist, run netch-winsock reset and netch-int IP reset from an elevated prompt, then reboot. These reset networking stacks that often fix stubborn issues. Also check the host's file and temporarily disable VPN or firewall to rule them out. If nothing helps, switch back to automatic DNS and contact your ISP as a last step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.